Penang is the capital of street food, and the Penang state government plays an important role in its support, growth and promotion. The Michelin Guide, an effort brought by the state, features many eateries in Penang. This is definitely a stepping stone and a badge of honor for our local eateries.
Benda yang paling saya suka di Pulau Pinang adalah multicultural dia. Penang ni adalah paradise of food sebab kita ni ada macam-macam makanan.
Although Penang is multiracial, our cultures, our heritage, our everything in fact blend beautifully.
We have beautiful seafood from the sea, we have some really good farms in the island or even in the mainland, and all those are easily available for restaurants in Penang.
This whole vibe that Penang sets is very laid back, very chill, and yeah, I'm proud to be from here.
Welcome to Penang and see you soon.